Hi there, what's up? This is a video I wanted to do for a while. Actually, I'm going to be doing a few little ones. It's just basic little maintenance and stuff. Today I'm just going to be doing a simple oil change, but yeah, let's get it cracking. So, just started. Already I got issues. Oil filter is here. I don't actually have the tool. I'm going to try and use mole grips, but access is an issue, so I might have to take off the heat shield. Okay, so heat shield's off. I've loosened the filter, and now I need to get the sump plug off, which is up over here. However, I can't crack it, so it appears I'm gonna have to put the car in the air and get underneath it. So I've got a jack in here somewhere, a couple axle stands. You gotta make sure you're using axle stands if you're going under the car. So yeah, let's get that cracking. So, now I'm gonna go underneath. Oh shit! And try and crack this sump plug. I don't know how to film this. It's a weird angle. Okay, now that is as tight as arseholes. So, I'm gonna try a bit of the old WD-40 on it, and then see if that works. Okay, it's been on there for a while. Let's try again. I have to do this off camera. Right, the nut is cracked. I think I'm tightening it. Yes. I've got my bottle. Get that ready. And let the good times flow. Oh, fuck. Technical error. No, here's that. back on the ground. Oil's pretty much drained, so now just need to remove the oil filter. Ah, shit. And it was not good.
Why are you filming?
Because I drop the mole grips in the oil, which is not ideal.
Jesus.
Gotta wait for that to finish dripping. That's off, it's all cleaned up. Okay. Now we've got the new oil filter here. Comparison there. Okay. So we want to add a bit of oil to it. This actually stops it from leaking. Okay. Birds. In. We just need to give it a quarter turn once it's in properly. Mole grips covered in oil. Right, filter's on. Heat shield back on, then oil in. Now this big boy. Oh, before I forget. Time for oil. My manual says it takes 3.5 litres, so we'll just add a bit at a time. If we can get the lid off. Funnel. Still spill it. So much. Fuck's sake. About 2.5 to 3 litres there. Now I'll try and wipe this off. It's not used, so it's a bit easier to get off. It's not good when it hits the connectors though, is it? Now we check the level. It looks good. Could do with a bit more, but it looks good. Cap on. Oh, start it up. Give it a few seconds and then check the level again. Alright, it's been a couple minutes. Needs more. take more. Perfect. Just one more. One more start up. Just let it pressurize and stuff. Okay, let's give it a go. Couple minutes. We check again one last time. So while that's running, let's just do a leak check. Currently got a bit of smoke. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's just the oil burning off. We've got no leaks so far. Everything looks good. No leaks. A fair bit of smoke. Burning oil don't smell too good. That might be the issue here. I forgot to wipe it off. Well, that's the video done for today. I don't know how it's going to turn out. It's the first one I've tried to do. Hopefully it turned out good. Who knows? Hopefully it was informative enough. If anyone wants to do an oil change, it's a simple thing, but hopefully I helped. And yeah, hopefully I'll be making a lot more. So yeah, until then, I guess that's it. See you soon. Bye.